When a customer needs a problem solved, what's their top priority? Is it price, convenience, or is it the one question that truly decides everything? Can I trust them? A dream home starts with a vision, but what matters most? How much trust is needed when a homeowner asks for a bid to remodel their kitchen within their budget? Financial stability isn't just about numbers, it's about confidence. When someone sits across from you looking for guidance to plan their future, how much trust is needed? A broken engine, an uncertain diagnosis. When they hand over their keys, hoping for an honest answer, what matters more, price or trust? Imagine trusting someone in your home while you're not there. Would trust be a deciding factor? Parents don't choose a daycare based on price alone, they choose based on trust. Because care is more than supervision, it's a responsibility. For the most vulnerable moments, trust isn't optional, it's essential. A provider's integrity shapes their care, their compassion, their commitment. A locked door, a late hour, an urgent call. When someone needs help, they need a provider they trust to show up, act fast, and do the job right. A flooded kitchen, rising panic, a desperate call. A homeowner doesn't just need a plumber, they need honesty, expertise, and trust when it matters most. Lights flicker, wires spark. A homeowner wonders, will this provider fix the issue or upsell them on repairs they don't need? This moment isn't just about fixing wiring, it's about trusting the right expert to ensure safety and integrity. Trust isn't a suggestion, it's the foundation of every strong customer-business relationship. When your next client has to choose between you and the competition, what will make the difference? Would knowing you've been awarded the Consumer's Trust Award, a recognition of integrity, service, and proven credibility, be the deciding factor? Trust is the foundation of every strong customer-business relationship. Today, you too can apply to be awarded the Consumer's Trust Award, and use this well-earned recognition to earn their trust. Stand apart, apply today, earn their trust, build your business. Join a distinguished group of businesses in your industry that customers rely on and your community. Apply today and let your business be celebrated for its unwavering commitment to trust and integrity.